Welcome back to Vivat Vivian. If you're new here, thank you for clicking our channel. We're starting a brand new chapter of our channel, and we're launching an unscripted talk shows all about money, investing, and saving.
And I'm just here behind the lens to ask the tough questions and keep you on your toes, Vivat Vivian.
Exactly. Today is episode 1, and we are starting with the most absolute basic. What is money? Like, where does it come from? Why does it even exist? To figure it out, I brought a prop. This blue pencil. It's super rare and shiny.
It looks beautiful. And I have a regular, boring yellow pencil.
Let's say I want that one and you want this blue one. What do we do?
I'll trade you my yellow one for your blue one. Let's swap.
No way, that's a terrible deal. This pencil is rare and yours is common. If we are going to barter, which means trading things directly without cash, your yellow pencil is only worth 1 cent. My blue one costs 10 cents. You have to give me 10 pencils just to have my blue one.
All right, I have a common, boring yellow and green pencils.
That
Let's
works.
trade 10 for 1. I've got the shiny blue pencil. Thanks, Vivat
Barter.
Vivian.
How whole countries barter. Da, da, da. Did you know that entire countries do the exact same thing?
Yes, I've learned about that.
Take the United States. We are building massive artificial intelligence systems right now.
AI.
And we desperately need rare earth metal.
To make computer chips.
That's right. But what if the country that has them doesn't want our paper dollars? What if they want food instead, like corn?
Then we just do the pencil math, right? How do we value corn versus rare metals?
Exactly. Rare earth metals is super hard to find. So it costs $10 for just 10 ounces.
That's a lot.
Yes, but corn is easy to grow. Wholesale corn is about $4 to $5 for 56 pounds of bushels, meaning you get about 1,000 ears of corn for $10. So the U.S. puts 1,000 ears of corn on ship and trades them for just 10 ounces of rare metal.
That's a mountain of corn for a tiny handful of metal. But isn't shipping thousands of ears of corn kind of a disaster?
Yes, that's why humans stopped bartering. Corn can rot, it's too heavy, and value change. Like, imagine you have $5 today and it buys you a giant chocolate bar. But next year, money loses value, and the same $5 only buys a tiny bite-sized piece. People get tired of things rotten and money change, so we needed something permanent, like gold or silver.
And why gold or silver?
Ancient people chose gold and silver for the first coins because they were rare, they don't rust, and you don't just find them lying in your backyard.
Correct.
But carrying heavy, clinging metal everywhere hurts your back and it attracts robbers. So we invented paper money. Look at this. It's literally just paper and green ink. You can't eat it and you can't build a computer with it. So why does the grocery store give us real delicious food for it? Where does the power come from?
I mean, it has a cool design on it. Is that why?
No, it's because of an invisible superpower called trust. The government promises it has value, and everyone in society signs a silent agreement to believe them. If tomorrow morning everyone woke up and suddenly stopped believing in the promise, it will go back to being just useless pieces of paper.
Oh, thank you.
Why money is like a river and coin tokens.
Toot, toot, toot.
Because it has to keep moving, we call it currency. It comes from an old Latin word which means to run or to flow, like the water current in a river.
Well, like an electrical current.
That's right. If money stops flowing and everyone hides it under their mattress, business closes, people lose their jobs, and the whole economy freezes. But here's the crazy part. Every country has its own river. Dollars, euros, yens, rubles. Why can't the whole world just use one single coin?
Why can't they?
Traveling would be much easier.
That would save us so much time at the airport exchange booth. Why don't we do it, Vivat Vivian?
Because countries are competitive and want control over their own money. Think about like video arcades. Imagine Dollar World Arcade gives you 1 token for $1. But across the street, Rubble's Land Arcade gives you 90 tokens for exactly the same $1. If you try to bring your 90 Rubble's Land tokens to Dollar World, this counter boss will say, hey, these aren't worth the same here. The math is called exchange rate.
The invisible future. Toot, toot, toot.
Now, let's talk about the future. Most adults don't even carry cash anymore. They just tap cards or phones.
That's
The
me.
money is completely invisible, number moving between banks. And because some people didn't want governments controlling those numbers, they invented
Cryptocurrency.
like Bitcoin, which is made entirely out of computer code. Thousands of computers around the world watch it together so no one can cheat. But it's a total roller coaster. One day your Bitcoin buys a car, the next day it only buys a bicycle. What do you think about that?
A roller coaster money system sounds a little terrifying to me. What about you?
Me too. It's really terrifying. Well, we went from swapping pencils and trading 1,000 years of coins to invisible computer money. Before we say goodbye, we have to celebrate. Look at the screen. We hit 500 subscribers. Thank you so much to your amazing 500 sub family. If a time machine landed right here and gave you 500 of the very first silver coins ever minted in history to celebrate, what's the first thing you'd do with them?
I'd buy a country.
Really?
How about you, boss?
I would buy a mansion made out of candy.
Yummy.
I love that. Friends, thank you so much for watching the very first episode of our financial journey. Hit the subscribe button and join our growing community. And let us know in the comments, would you trade 1,000 ears of corn for 10 ounces of metal? See you in the next video. Bye!